Welcome to this detailed audio on Mudgar training as a traditional, time-tested and deeply functional approach to physical conditioning. In this session, we'll explore the origins of Mudgar training, what a typical Mudgar workout looks like, the unique benefits it offers and how it compares to other popular training styles. If you're new to Mudgar or just curious about its advantages, this guide will give you a clear and comprehensive overview. Let's start with the basics of what exactly is a Mudgar. A Mudgar is a type of Indian club, traditionally carved from wood and sometimes crafted from metal. It features a tapered shape with a narrow handle and a wide, heavy end. This unique shape allows for dynamic swinging and circular motions, which is a fundamental aspect of Mudgar training. Historically, Mudgars were used in India by wrestlers, known as Palwans, who trained in traditional wrestling schools called Akharas. These wrestlers relied on Mudgars to build upper body strength, shoulder stability, grip power and overall body coordination. The practice goes back centuries and has roots not just in physical conditioning but in the spiritual and mental discipline of Indian martial culture. A Mudgar workout typically involves swinging the club in arcs, circles, and figure-8 patterns. These are not random motions as they follow structured flows that require rhythm, balance, timing, and body awareness. Movements such as the front swing, mill, shoulder rotations, and lateral swings are performed in sequences that target the shoulders, arms, core, and even the legs to some extent. What sets Mudgar training apart is the integration of movement and mindfulness. It's not just about lifting a weight from point A to point B. Each swing involves coordination between the muscles, joints, and nervous system. This creates a unique mind-body experience that feels more like a moving meditation than a typical workout. Now let's talk about the specific benefits of Mudgar training. One of the key advantages is functional strength development. Functional strength refers to the kind of strength you can actually use in daily life or sport. Instead of isolating individual muscles, Mudgar training recruits entire movement chains. This includes stabilizer muscles, core muscles, and postural muscles, all of which are essential for real-world movement efficiency and injury prevention. Another standout benefit is shoulder mobility and joint health. The shoulder joint is highly mobile but also prone to injury and stiffness. Traditional weight training often compresses and limits shoulder motion, especially during pressing and pulling exercises. In contrast, the swinging motions in Mudgar training help lubricate the shoulder joint, stretch the surrounding tissues, and strengthen the rotator cuff muscles. Over time, this can significantly improve flexibility, reduce stiffness, and prevent shoulder-related injuries. Mudgar training also provides excellent grip and forearm conditioning. Because the Mudgar's weight distribution constantly challenges your grip, your hand, wrist, and forearm muscles are always active. This leads to improved grip endurance and strength, which has carryover to activities like lifting, climbing, and martial arts. Another important benefit is improved core strength. Almost every movement in Mudgar training requires the core to stabilize the body as it resists and controls the swinging weight. This trains not only your abs, but your obliques, spinal stabilizers, and lower back muscles as well. It's a more dynamic form of core training than static planks or crunches, and it teaches your body to stabilize in motion, which is crucial for athletic performance and injury prevention. Mudgar workouts also improve balance, coordination, and proprioception, which is your body's sense of position in space. Because the exercises are rotational and rhythm-based, they force your brain and body to work together to maintain control and fluidity. This is a valuable skill that enhances not only your workouts but your daily movement patterns. Let's take a moment to compare Mudgar training to other forms of exercise. Compared to traditional weightlifting with dumbbells and barbells, Mudgar training emphasizes fluid, circular motion rather than linear, up and down movement. Barbells are great for building raw strength in specific muscle groups, but they often neglect joint mobility and functional coordination. Mudgar swings, on the other hand, train your body to move powerfully and efficiently through full ranges of motion. Now consider kettlebell training. Kettlebells also involve dynamic, ballistic movements like swings and snatches, and they're excellent for building power. However, kettlebells tend to be more intense and may focus on explosive strength and cardiovascular output. Mudgar training is more about sustained rhythm, mobility, and control. It's lower impact and more meditative, making it accessible to a wider range of fitness levels. What about bodyweight training like calisthenics? Calisthenics is fantastic for building control over your own body, improving strength-to-weight ratio, and increasing endurance. Mudgar training complements bodyweight exercises by adding an external load and challenging your stabilizer muscles in new ways. Where calisthenics trains strength in a relatively static or straight-line path, Mudgar introduces rotational strength and dynamic resistance. In summary, Mudgar training stands out because it develops strength, mobility, coordination, and mindfulness all in a single tool and training method. It's not only highly effective but also deeply enjoyable. The rhythmic, flowing nature of Mudgar movements turns exercise into a meditative practice, promoting both physical and mental well-being. Whether you are an athlete, a martial artist, a yogi, or just someone who wants to move and feel better, Mudgar training has something to offer. It's adaptable, holistic, and deeply rooted in tradition. And perhaps best of all, it reminds us that fitness doesn't have to be confined to machines or rigid routines. Sometimes, the simplest tools used with skill and intention can produce the most profound results. Thank you for taking the time to learn about Mudgar training. We hope this inspires you to explore it further and experience the benefits for yourself. Stay strong, stay mobile, and keep moving with purpose.